Like as you rightly said, Sheetal has become an icon today, and she is an icon for the female and for the youth. Those are the majority of our country.
It's every mother tells to their kids to study and they have to study.
Can you show the live performance, please, ma'am?
Now we will set it up, but we have to be very safe. So we want you all to just settle down a bit back.
We have a few questions for you. An Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Sri Narendra Modi ji, is the most strongest Prime Minister. But you had a very casual talk with him. Can you share a few happy moments with him? Huh?
जब भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी से मिलते हैं जब भी हम इंटरनेशनल में मेडल जीतते हैं तो बिल्कुल प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी से मिलकर बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, बहुत ही खुशी होती है कि वो हमारी प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, वो भी हमसे मिलते इतने प्यार से और हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है हमें सभी को, सभी एथलीट के साथ बहुत ही अच्छे बड़े प्यार से वो बात करते हैं हमारे साथ। जैसे कि आपने देखा ही होगा कि जब मैंने टी शर्ट दी थी उनको तो बड़े प्यार से मतलब कि पकड़ रहे थे और मैंने साइन करके दी थी। मैं बहुत खुश थी कि जब भी मैं उनसे मिलती हूँ मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ।
Hi, ma'am. Here is a series of photos. Please have a look on it, ma'am. If you are not a sports person, which food would you prefer for us?
Vegetarian.
Hi, ma'am. My mother always scolds me, telling me to study, ma'am. You're just 17 years old. So, did your mother ever tell you to study?
बिल्कुल, मेरी मम्मी बोलती है पढ़ने के लिए और वो तो सभी की मम्मी बोलती है अपने बच्चों को कि तुम पढ़ो लिखो कुछ बनो। मेरी मम्मी भी मुझे बोलती है। Guys, every mother tells to their kids to study and they have to study.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Sheetalji. We have seen your performances only in videos. Can you show us the live performance, please, ma'am?
Yeah, we will set it up, but we have to be very safe. So we want you all to just settle down a bit back.
मुझे यहाँ पे आके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। इतने सारे बच्चे को देखकर मैं बहुत खुश होती कि इतने सारे बच्चे खुश हैं। मैं भी बहुत खुश होती हूँ। और आप लोगों को भी अच्छा पढ़ाई लिखाई करनी चाहिए और स्पोर्ट्स भी करना, पढ़ना भी और स्पोर्ट्स भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। और आप लोग भी स्पोर्ट्स करो और अच्छे से मेहनत करो और आने वाले समय में अपने देश के लिए नाम
I would like to pay the gratitude to all the present guests here, all the authorities here, and we have traveled from Jammu and we are really happy to be here. It was all worth to travel entire night. And my Tamil is not that good, but still I'll try to. In the school, the Sheetal visit Pandra Motto South India School. எனக்கு கூப்பிட்டேன் ஃபெலிசிட்டேட் பண்ணேன் ரொம்ப நன்றி அவங்களுக்கு என்னுடைய கை இல்லை பண்ணிட்டு வில்வித்தை கோச் பண்ணி ஒலிம்பிக்கில் வரைய எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. நான் ஒரு மெடல் வாங்கிக்கேன் தேஷ்க்கு என்னோட கண்ட்ரிக்கு மெடல் இருக்குது, மரியப்பன் இருக்குது, ஷீதல் இருக்குது, வேறு நிறையா பேரா athletes in car, 29 medals from the Paralympics. It's the biggest achievement. As a coach, it gives immense of the satisfaction. And my senior coach Satyanarayan sir, who is the backbone of the para sports in the country, I heartily thank him that he has taken way ahead to the para sports in the country. And in the south, all may be aware of him, but I talk about country, so it's not today, it's been decades. He had been working hard for the para sports and developing it, nurturing the talent like Mariyappan and many more. So at last, I just want to say, out of you, as Vice Chancellor ma'am very correctly mentioned, that you have to come up, take up the sports, and 2036, which will be in our country, we will be hosting the Olympics. So we want medal from you all, among all. And Ramachandran Institute, I was very surprised. I have heard about it, but today I have seen the video and I am curious to visit there. Seriously, I am curious to visit there. And one more thing I would like to tell. Now Chennai or 8 years irkude. Apparma, it's really nice to be back. It's giving a home feeling. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you so much all.
வெகனூட் நேயர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். நான் தினேஷ். இன்றைக்கி நம்மளுடைய நேர்காணலில் என் கூட இருக்கக்கூடியவங்க ஒரு இந்தியாவுக்கு பெருமை சேர்த்த ஒருத்தங்க, இந்தியாவுடைய முதல் ஃபீமேல் ஆர்ம்லெஸ் ஆர்ச்சர் ஃபீமேல் கேட்டகரியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒருத்தங்க ஷீதல் மேம் வணக்கம். ஷீதல் தேவி, this name is become a brand in India and we are also proud to be hosting the show right now. And how do you feel coming to Chennai and seeing the kids in Velamal?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके। स्कूल में बहुत सारे बच्चे देखकर ऐसे मुझे फीलिंग आ रही थी कि मैं अपने स्कूल में आई हूँ ऐसे, और मैंने तीर चलाया यहाँ पे, तो ऐसा फील हो रहा था जैसे कि मैं पोडियम पे चला रही हूँ। ऐसा ही क्राउड था जब पैरालंपिक्स में जहाँ पोडियम पे चढ़ी थी मैं, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही क्राउड था वहाँ पे भी जैसे यहाँ पे था। मेरे को बिल्कुल वही फीलिंग आ रही थी यहाँ पे भी, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके।
Like as you rightly said, Sheetal has become an icon today, and she is an icon for the female and for the youth. Those are the majority of our country, and if she inspires too many, so we look forward that we are going to have good results in future from our women athletes and youth. So as you asked, she felt like she has come to her own school. And she had the same feeling which she had in the Paralympics podium, because there was also so many viewers were there. There was a huge crowd to see her match. So today when she was in the school and she shot a live arrow, so it was like she was feeling the same feeling.
Yeah. So about to ask that you performed in front of the hundreds of kids, like shooting the arrows, which is very, very I can see the expression and the wonderful moment it was. We were cherished to see that. Like how many years of practice made this perfect moment?
3 साल से मैं आर्ची कर रही हूँ, और 3 साल से ही मैं अभी पैरालंपिक में फर्स्ट पैरालंपिक्स था मेरा ये।
So to become an elite athlete, it takes years of hard work and lots of sacrifices. So she had been away from her home, and she had been training at Katra Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board since 3 years. So it has taken, we can't see that the star can be born in one day. It takes decades or years, and we are fortunate that it's just 3 years and Sheetal is an icon at the world map, not only in India.
Have you ever felt like other sports like cricket and all getting into limelights? Even Instagram celebrities being portrayed so much, but uh, in Olympic medal people like you not getting into the limelights. Have you ever felt people are not giving much recognition compared to cricket? Have you ever felt that?
नहीं, बिल्कुल ऐसा ऐसा कभी फील हुआ नहीं कि हमें भी जैसे कि क्रिकेट को देखते हैं वैसे ही सर हमें भी देखते हैं। हम पोडियम पे मैच खेलते तो सब भी हमें देखते हैं। बिल्कुल ऐसा कभी फील नहीं हुआ।
So it was years back. The para sports was not that acceptable as professionally, but now as the time is changing and we are giving, as we can see this year, a para Asian Games has given a good result. Paralympics has given 29 highest ever medals. So para sports is getting a very good recognition, and para athletes are also valued, and they are also kept in same way. In fact, our government, our prime minister treats them same.
Generally people like all the Indian mentality parents like they are ready to say the kids to study well, they are not ready to sending the kids to sports, they are very busy in the education. How important to be a person well groomed in the sports?
दोनों बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Earlier, it used to be the mindset of our society that it's only education can take you the places. But today, the scenario has been changed, and the sports is taking our youth to the places, and it is giving a good name and great pride to our nation. So, according to both of us, like education and sports should go parallelly, and they both are important for a complete groomed personality.
Right, the way Velamal school people received you is like very cherishing moment, like you can see that it's very wonderfully the people received you. How happy you see?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा सच में। मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग्स आई जैसे कि मैं अपने स्कूल में आई हूँ और मैं बहुत खुश थी आज।
So, with the welcome and with the receiving and all the honor here, it was nothing can be for a child like Sheetal that when she says, "Ki I have felt like it's my own school," so it finishes everything. Like when she got a feeling of her own school. So, and really we are thankful to the Velamal institution that they have given us such honor and great moments to cherish forever. And we look forward that they also take up the sports and their students also make it to the nation pride.
Okay, so few words for the kids, for the future generation people, like people are getting into the sports right now and they are focusing on the sports, so few words about them for the future as a elite athlete you can give at us.
मैं बाकी बच्चों के लिए भी यही कहना चाहूँगी कि वो भी स्पोर्ट्स में आए और खेले और शायद आने वाले समय में भी वो भी अपने देश का नाम रोशन करें।
Most of the students, those who are training or those who are coming to the sports, they should do good training, hard work, and it will take time, but definitely they will also do well for the nation, and they will also get the medals for country and make the country proud.
Okay, one word about the failures, like younger generation kids when they get failed in exams, in sports, wherever, when they face the failures, they will be broken out, they can't be able to come up the stage again. It takes time for the younger generation kids. So how to face the failures?
बस उनको यही मेहनत करनी चाहिए, जल्दी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए। जैसे कि एक बार बहुत बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो फेल होते हैं तो हार मानते हैं कि अभी हमें आगे नहीं पढ़ना। बिल्कुल ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स में होते हैं, अगर हम मेडल नहीं जीतते फिर भी हम हार नहीं मानते हैं, मेडल जीत के आते हैं। तो वैसे ही हार नहीं माननी है, जल्दी हिम्मत करनी है, कोशिश करनी है लगन से कि हमें ये मंजिल पूरा करना है।
So once if we are failed or we are in education or sports, we should not give up. We should work with more resistance, with more hard work, and definitely it may take time. They may fail once, twice, thrice, but failure is the learning and failure is the way to success.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.